This video shows the operation of a pickup truck by a 20-year-old driver traveling north on US 83 near Concan, Texas, on March 29, 2017. The video shows clips from a cell phone recording made by a witness who was following the truck. Timestamps indicate the elapsed time from the beginning of the recording. Image stabilization software was used to reduce the motion of the camera, and the audio was removed. This clip shows the truck cross the center line into the southbound lane of travel. Here, the truck drifts onto the right shoulder, almost hitting a stopped truck. The truck drives off the right road edge, recovers, and then continues to drive partially on the shoulder. When the road widens to 2 lanes, the truck moves to the right and travels off the paved surface onto the grass. The truck moves partially onto the shoulder and then left across the center line and onto the shoulder on the opposite side of the highway. The truck crosses the center line again as it proceeds around a curve. As the truck reaches a left-hand curve, it moves onto the right shoulder and then left, crossing the center line again as the road transitions to a right-hand curve. Here, the truck crosses the center line as it rounds a right-hand curve with a limited line of sight. At the end of the curve, the truck moves onto the right shoulder. The truck travels on the centerline rumble strips designed to alert drivers and proceeds partially into the opposing lane of travel. The truck travels entirely within the opposing lane of travel on a vertical crest hill with a limited line of sight. This clip shows the final 10 seconds of the witness video. The recording ends about 20 seconds before the multi-fatality crash at the right-hand curve ahead.